All right, guys, we got a Cadillac CTS-V coming in, 2012. Let you guys hear what it sounds like before. Got custom wheels on it. He's had it since new, guys, since 2012. And it shows. Look at that shine. Garage kept. Really beautiful car. I'm gonna let you guys hear it, what it sounds like before. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibel. Right at 94. Again. So it's right at 90, we'll say 95 decibels. Cadillac CTS-V. So we're gonna show you after we're done with it. We're gonna do a muffler and maybe a tip swap. We'll see. We'll let you guys know in a second. All right, guys, so we showed you what it sounds like before and looks before on the exhaust. It's a 2012 Cadillac CTS-V. Only 60,000 miles on it, guys. That's crazy for an 11-year-old car. Look how mint it is. Beautiful, really awesome car. So, what it looks like under there. Factory converter, secondary converters there. Then it's true dual into an X-pipe right there. Then what we did is deleted the muffler. I'll show you guys the muffler. It's usually from here all the way to here. So we deleted the muffler and put two CARVEN TRs and reused his tips. He wanted to keep the stock factory look, but he wanted a little bit more sound. So here's the part number on the CARVENs right there. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. And that's how you get them put on. Came out absolutely beautiful. CARVEN TRs right there. Very nice, very clean. And there's that giant muffler, as you guys can see. There's a regular Kona end muffler compared to the Cadillac muffler. Huge, just massive, as you guys can see right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Perfect. Sound frequencies. Yeah. Just gives it that deep tone. Yeah. Again.
I like it a lot.
All right.
Way better.
All right. There's sound decibels. 102. Again. Perfect. What do you think?
I like it a lot.
Yeah. You approve, both of you? Yes? All right. Snuda, you outdid yourself. Good job, buddy. I think he likes it too much. He doesn't know to back it up. Cadillac CTS-V. How clean this thing is, guys. I'm surprised. Wow. Look at this sucker. Sounds all the way good all the way around. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Perfect tone. It's not crazy loud, nothing, just clean. Yeah. That is the perfect muffler for that car. Yes. Give us one more drive off. Double header for you guys. We did this earlier in the week. GT 4.6 liter 6. We'll give you a double header. Why not? Oh yeah. There he goes. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.